60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin yarnings. Now what they do this morning, we want to check out what happened for inside English Premier League yesterday. Officially, Manchester City now they don't win the league. Big congratulations to Manchester City. And then we don't know the people say where they go UEFA Champions League and the people where go play Inter-House Sport, Europa League football, Arsenal and Manchester United. But the main thing where me I wonder this morning now, we say it got one time for the season where we say now Liverpool been there on top league. They been get better points against Manchester City. Now so Liverpool just they do like say then they do that from village to Liverpool. Come allow Man City, come carry 1 point, take past them for inside league. Liverpool get 97 points and they no still win league. Now say Liverpool no sabi how to win league. Now say Jurgen Klopp he no sabi how to win cup. I be Manchester City better pass them. I been I say the league it hard well then they talk say inside English Premier League. Now one of the hardest league for the world. I be Liverpool no fit win league. I want know what you said. You dey think.